You don't need a paid ChatGPT subscription to use AI. Right now, this AI model is running completely free, offline, and locally on my own computer. In this video, you'll learn the easiest way to set up Ollama and LM Studio. We'll be using lightweight models like Llama 3.2 and Phi-4 Mini. This means you can run these smoothly even on a basic everyday laptop without an expensive graphics card. And stick around until the end, because I'll show you a hidden hack to make these apps share models so that you never waste storage space downloading the same model again. No subscription, no data privacy worries. Let's set it up. In your browser, go to www.ollama.com. Click on the download link to get to the download page. Choose your operating system and click download. Now that you have Ollama installed, you can download models to your machine. Let's pick Llama 3.2. Open up a terminal and run this command. Ollama run Llama 3.2. There are a lot of different models you can play around with. Keep in mind that these models use your computer's RAM and disk space. Now that it is finished, open the main window, select your model, and you can start chatting instantly. By the way, if you want to master AI without the expensive subscriptions, hit that subscribe button. My goal is to make AI education accessible for the next generation of students and creators. Next up is LM Studio. Head over to lmstudio.ai/download. Grab the LM Studio installer for your OS, install it, and fire it up. This time we're going to search for Microsoft's Phi-4 Mini. Choose the GGUF version. Click download. Now that it is done, you can click on this chat button and you are ready to test it after it has finished loading the model. Now that you have both apps working, you might run into a problem. Downloading these AI models takes up a lot of space on your hard drive. If you download a model in Llama, you don't want to download it again for LM Studio. That's just wasteful. As promised, I have a hack to fix this. Let me show you how to do it. Here's what happens when you run the script to make Ollama models show up in LM Studio. Make the script executable and then run it. Pick the model you want. Now, if you go back to LM Studio, back to your models, you can see the Ollama model now shows up. Next, let me show you the script to have LM Studio models show up in Ollama. It works essentially the same way as the other script. Once it's done running, you can go back to Ollama, check the dropdown, pick that model, and you can use it right away. Like this video if you found this useful. I've placed a link in the description to these scripts so you can use them for free. If you need to make any edits to the script and you need help, just ask an AI coding assistant. Speaking of AI coding assistants, if you want to set one up directly inside your code editor for free, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.